Long before we dreamed of sending astronauts to the moon, astronomers discovered the moon in a new way with telescopes. This first section of the exhibit talks about how we uncovered the moon's secrets using telescopes, starting with Galileo's first scientific map of the moon in 1609, and then as our telescopes improved, so did our moon maps. We have a large reproduction, courtesy of the Adler Planetarium, of this moon map by an astronomer named Schmidt. It took him 30 years to make this moon map because he was studying the moon in exacting detail. Each of these squares that you see in this image was a page of a book, and none of the pages overlapped. So it's highly accurate of the craters and the mountains and valleys of the moon made using his telescope in the 1800s. We also have a wonderful piece from the Adler Planetarium, a map from Jean-Dominique Cassini. He's the great-grandson of the very famous astronomer Cassini, who discovered the gap of the rings of Saturn and was the first director of the Paris Observatory. He made a copy of his great-grandfather's map that you can see here. This map would have been used by the wealthy who were interested in astronomy as a hobby, and they would have used a map like this to study the moon at night using perhaps a small telescope like the one you can see here from the 1700s. These small telescopes were sort of similar to the hobby telescopes you could buy today, but today anyone can be involved in astronomy. Earlier in history, this would have been just a hobby of the elite few. This is a perpetual calendar. Similar to how we carry around calendars in our pockets now with our smartphones, this would have been a small calendar that somebody could carry in their pocket, showing the phases of the moon and the dates of the month. This was made in 1680.